Hey there, just want to share my review on a sunshade, and it actually has 3 different ways that you can install it. So there is bungee cords that come with it. You also have zip ties and rope that you can cut. And so the way that I'm going to be installing this is I have this pergola, and so I'm actually going to weave this in and out, or I could just put it all over the top and tie it down. So just to kind of give you an idea of what it's going to look like when I'm done. But otherwise, the fabric itself, so I mean, you can barely see your fingers through it. So I'm really excited for the sun and hopefully wind protection that it offers, not to mention like rain, as it will be sitting over like a picnic table. So in the case of just, wanting to hang out here. So let's get this up and see what it looks like. So it's all installed, and it actually provides quite a bit of nice shade. So I ordered the 8x8 because that's the size that would fit up in here. And as you can see, you can still see through it, but it definitely blocks a lot of that like bright sunlight. And now I'm curious to see how it'll be, as far as moisture. I'm sure it won't obviously hold back all of it, but if it's a nice light sprinkle, you might be able to stay dry under there.